Hey guys, it's Marissa. I am so behind the power curve. I took the last week off. Anyway, I am here to show you the mini kit Monday challenge kit that I put together. I went ahead and just grabbed from my collection of, of scrapbook kits. This Fall Blessings, and this is by Echo Park. And I bought this from our favorite store, Tuesday Morning. And these are the papers that come with it. Let me take it out of the plastic so you won't, the glare won't get to you guys. But these are the papers that come with it. They're all fall colors, which, by the way, let me insert here the inspiration for the mini kit Monday challenge. So these are the papers that are in this collection. So the back of the cover of the kit are the 3x4 cut aparts. Then we also have 2 of each of these papers. So this is the, where they're kind of like arrows, right? So it's a solid color here at the back. Then we have this. And here, there's 2 of each, obviously, of the patterns. And then we have the leaves, which is so cute. And then we have some type of a ledger printout over there. Then we have this pattern paper here. This is the back. And then there's 2 4x6s cut aparts here, and this is at the back. And also we have a sticker, and the sticker sheet also has some letters, which is good. And then all this. So I'm going to use this for my Thanksgiving pictures. So we'll see how that works. And then for cardstock, solid cardstocks, I am going to use this close to my heart cardstock kit that I have in my stash. And I saw this and I'm like, oh, this might go well with that kit. So let me just pull it out. Look at this gorgeous colors, guys. Doesn't this remind you of fall? I'm like, look at that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all this, but I am going to keep this on the side in case I need solid colored cardstock. So these are the cardstocks from that I am going to use. I also have 2 alphabets here, alphabet stickers. 1 thickers, and this is the marquee. You've seen me use this before. And of course, the skinny doodlebug alphabet stickers. Kinda excited. I'm planning to scrapbook my my Thanksgiving pictures using this kit. Yeah, keep an eye out on my videos coming up soon. That's it for now, guys. I will catch you guys later. Bye!